question is let and const. Okay, so here they are taking the input. Okay, 2.6. okay, what is this? Okay, this is the radius, I think. Yeah, it is radius that they are taking. And what we have to find, we have to find area and parameter. Okay, the same question that we have done in the last program. Okay, so here in try, okay, they have written the try block. Here they are initialize the pi with 0. Okay, and attempt to print the value of pi. Okay, so this try block is after the function that we are going to return right here. Okay, so if we are declaring pi here, then they are printing that pi in this block. Okay, so that's the thing. So now for that we are going to see what we have to do. Okay, first of all we have to take the input. Okay, so we are taking our r. For that I will declare r is equal to, and we are calling the readline function. Okay, readline function, that is like for taking the input that is coming. Okay, so now we have to create the pi. I am creating the value pi. Okay, this variable pi, I am creating that pi as a constant. Okay, because we want to use that pi throughout the program. Okay, so we have to declare that constant. Okay, here they are taking that you correctly declared pi as a constant. Okay, so now I will declare this, means हमें define भी करना पड़ेगा. For that I will use math.py. Okay, this is the function in this JavaScript. So we have declared the math.py. Then what we have to do, first of all we have to find the area. Okay, so I will directly print that area, console.log, and here what is our formula. Okay, I have taken the value of pi, math.py, into this pi variable, pi star. Now we have to use pi r square. Okay, r square. So there is another function math.power. Okay, so here we have to pass that x number and y number. Okay, so here first parameter is our r, and our second parameter should be 2 because we want the square. So this is about the area. And the next thing, that is console.log, we have to find the parameter. Okay, for the parameter we have the formula 2 into pi into r. Okay, r which is coming in our late. Okay, means sorry, in r. So now I will run the code. Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, we will submit the code. Okay, so first of all you have to declare this pi in const. Okay, so चलो अभी चेंज करके देखते हैं आपके हिसाब से. तो इसको मैं फिर से लेट कर देता हूँ. अभी क्या करता है प्रोग्राम, कैसे रन होता है. Yeah, it is giving error, that is 0. Okay, so here what they are printing, console.log pi, that is our pi will be 0. means हमने लेट में डिक्लेयर किया था और पाई की वैल्यू चेंज हो गई इधर, पाई इज इक्वल टू 0 री इनिशियलाइज करने के बाद. सो फॉर दैट इट इज गिविंग एरर. सो वी हैव टू राइट हियर const, then it will work. Thank you.